All right. Let's see if this thing's working. I didn't have a video last night because my computer just completely fritzed out. So today it's in the shop and I bought a whole new, they actually put together a custom build for me in about 4 hours. But if you're a day trader, you know everything, all the applications you have open. I had to download, I don't know, 20 different things and then set my charts up, set my trading platform up. It was just a freaking nightmare. It's midnight now. It was up till 3:30 in the morning last night. So anyway, I'm gonna throw a video together here. I'm using a new version of my video recorder because everything I didn't have anything on this new PC. So bear with me. All right, so let me try to figure out what I'm doing here. So the SPY, I didn't get a trade at all today, but SPY is still climbing up. Looks like new all-time highs. But there's a look at it. Um, my watch list. Now, LEDS met every parameter that I look for on an intraday basis. Let me take today's candle out of it and show you. I mean, this is just a great setup. I know some people in chat got this because I went and looked at the chat logs from today while I was out dealing with computer stuff. But this is a great setup. You had this monster move, 2 days lower, and then look what happened today. It's a perfect setup. Learn this one, guys. So when you've got a setup like that, you want to have it on bounce watch. This is the opening 5-minute candle. Opened at 6:09. Pushed down a little bit as it comes back up through 6:09 on this next candle. That's your red to green entry. And so you'd have been in about 6:10 looking for a quick high of day break, which was 6:20, which then gets everybody pouring in. See how the volume picks up after that? And again, I wasn't in chat today, so I didn't get a chance to call this, but I know some members traded this just like we teach, all right? So the entry would have been around 610, went all the way to 860. That'll make your whole month if you had the right size. So anyway, I'm going to put it on watch again for tomorrow, but today was the day. So tomorrow feels like you're sort of already joining a group of, oh man, I missed it, I'm going to try it again tomorrow. So you want to be a lot more careful tomorrow than today. Today you could have got aggressive on that almost perfect setup, but we're going to throw it back on watch anyway. DGLY, a little bit similar to LEDS setup. You had a big spike, 2 days lower. We're going to watch that one for a potential bounce. BLFS gapped up, and it actually had good news. So gapped up, went to 360, and then all the way back down near $2. I think this one is worth watching for a nice turn back up tomorrow. BSPM, another kind of recent high flyer. It's had some major big spikes, and you've got 3 red days down into the 20-day. Pretty good candidate for a potential bounce tomorrow. EBIO had the gap up here. It actually had some really nice moves here, here, then the gap up. Decent little move right here, and then they came down and a nice 2-day rally, pulled back, and then another gap up. So this thing's super. Every time the shorts get a hold of this, they end up getting slapped in the face with a gap up. I do like this setup after this gap up on pretty good volume 3 sessions ago. Got a couple lower highs, little bottoming tails, finding buyers down here. Watch this EBIO for a potential long tomorrow. And then lastly, LBIO. You had this monster move back here. It's very interesting coming into today because, you know, it's getting close to those highs. And then sellers came in. And then I like to see sellers come in and those sellers fail. And you kind of have that scenario right here with another potential catalyst over 907 and a little flag below that. So this is a good potential long setup as well. Not a big list today. Again, I missed it. You know, I didn't get to trade today, so we'll see. But we'll put a gap list together tomorrow. Hopefully we'll find 1 or 2 decent gappers and make our day. But I'm going to leave it at that. I'm tired. I'm going to bed, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.